this computer. Okay, namaste everybody. Welcome to the session. Hope you had a good weekend. We'll start with our routine. Make sure you don't overdo. You can, do as much as your body is allowing you to do. If at any time it's hurting, just come back and then, do it slowly. Or you can do slow Surya Namaskar as well while we are doing fast. So, do not force your body to, do more. So we'll start with our routine. Neck up, breathe in, down, breathe out, up, breathe in, down, breathe out. One more time, up, breathe in, down, breathe out. Left to right, breathe in up, breathe out down, breathe in up, breathe out down. One more time, breathe in up and breathe out down. Shoulders back, keep going back, then forward. Arms forward. Arms back. Hands on your shoulder, forward. Make a big circle. Back. Elbows up and down. Rotate. Change direction. Your wrist in one direction. Change direction. Fingers, your thumb. Okay, hands on your waist. And then clockwise, make a big circle. Anti-clockwise. Okay, hands on your knees. Then clockwise, keep your feet still. Other way around, anti-clockwise. Now open and close. Open, close. Open, close. One more time. Outside in, other way around. Okay, your ankles. Rotate your ankles. Change. Up, down. Sideways. Change leg. Rotate ankles in one direction. Change direction. Up, down. Sideways. Shake your body and then start jogging. Start jogging. Arm movements. Slowly we have to make the blood flow all over the body. Raise the pulse and then warm the body up. Breathe in, breathe out through your nose. Slowly increase the speed. Arm movements. High knees. Heels back. Jogging back. Alternate arms and legs. Side twister. Jumping. Star jump. You can do full star jump. Jumping. Slow down and stop. Check your legs. Okay, we'll do breathing, Swaswayam. So hands together, feet together, deep breathe in. Breathe out down. Breathe in, come up, arms up. On your toe, hold, breathe out. Again, deep breathe in. Breathe out down. Breathe in, come up, arms up. On your toe, hold, breathe out. Okay, we'll do Satat Yoga. Front one, 16 front, left hand and right, then both up, and then combination of all. Okay, Satat Yoga, Prakar do, Kuru. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 left right both up left right both up. Check your legs, relax, arms together, then breathe in, arms up, down, breathe in up, breathe out down. One more time, breathe in up, breathe out down. We'll do Ujjayi breath. So everybody knows the drill. We'll do 10 to 12 times. Start. Breathe in through your nose, except your mouth. Relax. This is very good to get rid of your anxiety, your anger. You can just use a stick and a load and then actually hit it. We're doing the breathing without. Next one is pumping, Bhastrika. Again 10 to 12 times. Start with your nose. Hold. Okay, now that our body is warmed up, we'll do some dynamic stretches and then we'll move on to Surya Namaskar. So breathe in, neck up, breathe out, down, breathe in, up, breathe out, down, back to front, to left, hold, front, then right, again front, tilt to left, ear to shoulder, back to front, right, ear to shoulder, right arm across, stretch, hold, change, left arm across, stretch, hold, right hand up, push your elbow and then try to hold, stretch, stretch, left arm up, push, try to hold your hand from back. We'll do sideways, 4 time each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do back twist. So deep breathe in, breathe out to your right, hold your hips, breathe in front, to left, breathe out, breathe in front, right, front, left, front, right, front, left. Okay, spread your legs, right hand touching to left, left hand up. Similarly, other way around, 8 times. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come forward in front first, then start walking back. Then between your legs, stretch your calf muscles, hamstring. Then hold your left leg, forehead on your left knee. Stretch, stretch nicely. Back to middle. Go to right side, hold your right leg, forehead on right knee. Stretch, stretch. Back to middle, breathe out, breathe in, up and go back. Okay, go on to right side, stretch nicely. On to left side. Okay, right leg up, stretch, then side, stretch, then back. Hold your big toe, knees together. Change, left leg up, stretch, then side, stretch, then back. Hold your big toe, knees together. Now last one. So right leg in front, hold your big toe, bend your back leg, touch the floor, sweep the floor and breathe in. Get a bit further forward, touch the floor, forehead on your front knee. Breathe in up, change, left leg in front, bend your back leg, stretch, stretch, sweep the floor. Okay, left leg in front, touch the floor, forehead on your front knee. Stretch nicely your calf muscles, hamstring, and then breathing up, relax, just relax. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Come in Samasthiti and 2 breaths. Okay, we'll do Surya Namaskar now. I'll just adjust the camera. So everybody in Arama, Surya Namaskar Sthiti. Join your heels, join your toes, join your palms, your thumbs forcing onto your solar plex. I'll say the shlok, you can say it in your mind after me or you can say it loudly. Om Dheya Sada Savitru Madhyavarti Narayana Sarasija Sanasannivishta Keyuravan Makara Kundalavan Kiriti Hari Hiranmaya Vapurjuta Shanka Chakraha. Just Om Mitraya Namaha. Guru, ek, breathe in, go up, hold. We'll just stretch first. 2, 1. Do, breathe out, down. Keep your knees straight. Left leg back. Breathe in, hold nicely, look up. Right leg back. Breathe out. Stay here. No hips up, straight. 5, forehead, chest, knee. Touching the floor. Hold your breath. Breathe in, cobra. Look up all the way. Breathe out, downward dog. Heels touching the floor. left leg in front, breathe in. Again, try to look up towards the ceiling. Right leg in front, breathe out. Keep your knee straight and then breathe in up. Om Ravaye Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back, breathe in. Look up. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in cobra. Breathe out downward dog. Stretch nicely. Right leg in front. Breathe in. Left leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasana. Now we'll do in proper speed with the count. Okay. Om Suryaya Namaha. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Om Bhanave Namaha. Breathe in, breathe out. Right leg, left leg, hold, cobra, downward dog. Right leg, left leg, breathe in. Namaskar. Om Khagaya Namaha. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg, right leg, hold, breathe in, breathe out. Left leg, right leg, breathe in. Om Pushne Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in cobra. Breathe out downward dog. Breathe in left leg in front. Breathe out right leg in front. Breathe in Namaskarasana. Om Marichaye Namaha. Inhale, exhale. Right leg back, left leg back. Hold. Inhale cobra. Exhale downward dog. Right leg in front, left leg in front. Breathe in Pranamasana. Om Adityaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Savitre Namaha. Breathe in, breathe out. Right leg, left leg, hold. Breathe in, breathe out. Right leg, left leg, breathe in. Om Arkaya Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Left leg, right leg, hold. Breathe in up, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg, right leg. Breathe in up. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 13th one. ओम श्री सवित्र सूर्य नारायणाय नमः. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg, right leg, hold. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg, right leg, breathe in. Relax. Just 30-second break before we move on to next 11. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Okay, now we'll do continuously. So we'll start with right leg now because 13th after 14th is right leg even. So we'll stop after 11. Everybody namaskar and then start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, left leg, right leg, hold. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg, right leg, go. Breathe out, go. 1, 2, right leg, left leg, hold. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg, right leg, and then 4. Breathe out, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Right leg, left leg. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right leg, left leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg, right leg. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg, right leg. Inhale. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. 12th one. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Breathe out. Relax. Relax. 10. Breathe in, breathe out. So we done 24. Okay, get back. We'll do 12 more now. So we'll start with left leg now. So everybody in position. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left leg. Now 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2. Right leg. Left leg. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go. Breathe out. Start. 1, 2. Left leg. Right leg. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg. Right leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg. Right leg. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg. Right leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12th one now. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7 8 9 10. Breathe out and just relax. We did 36. Let's see, we can do 48 at least minimum, or if time permits, maybe 60, or at least 48 plus 6, 54. We'll see. Breathe in, breathe out. Today we'll go up to 820 or 25 max. We'll try it. We won't go up to 830. Okay. Back now. Everybody in position. Namaskar position. Kulu, breathe in, breathe out. Left leg, right leg. Hold. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg, right leg. Breathe in, breathe out. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and up. Breathe out. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 48 one. Last one for before break. Go. एक, दो, right leg, left leg, hold, breathe in, breathe out, right leg, left leg, breathe in, up, relax. Okay, I think we still have some time, so we'll do 12 more. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Okay, get ready for the last set. Back into position, breathe out and start. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg, right leg, hold, breathe in, breathe out. Left leg, right leg, breathe in, breathe out. एक, दो, right leg, left leg, hold, breathe in, breathe out. Right leg, left leg, breathe in, breathe out. Go. एक, दो, left leg, right leg, hold, breathe in, breathe out. Left leg, right leg, breathe in, breathe out. Go. एक, दो, right leg, left leg, hold, breathe in, breathe out. Right leg, left leg, breathe in, breathe out. Start. One, two, left leg, right leg, hold, breathe in, breathe out. Left leg, right leg, breathe in, breathe out. Go. एक, दो, right leg, left leg, hold, breathe in, breathe out. Right leg, left leg, breathe in, breathe out. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out. Go. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Breathe out. Go. एक, दो, left leg, right leg, hold, breathe in, breathe out. Left leg, right leg, breathe in, breathe out. Go. एक, दो, right leg, left leg, hold, breathe in, breathe out. Right leg, left leg, breathe in, breathe out. Two more. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Last one. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Come into Namaskar. We'll do the ending slok. आदित्यस्य नमस्कारान् ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने आयुप्रज्ञाबलं वीर्यं तेजस्तेषां च जायते. Rama, 1, 2, 3. Just relax, 30-40 second break before we do next one. So we did 60 today. Well done. We'll just do some quick workout, yoga workout only before we do the breathing breathe out. So yeah, keep breathing in, breathing out. Okay, come back now, up. So we'll do the small 2 steps or 3 steps sequence. So it's like called power workout. So I'm just checking. So lift up your right leg in front, hands on your waist, and then go back, and then you bend forward, and hands in front and side as well, front and side, then come back again, and then lift up in front. Okay, we'll do this 3 times. एक, दो, sideways, again back up, front, back, you can balance, then sideways. We'll do one more time with this leg, then change, front, back, front, sideways. Get your leg down, change leg, right leg now with left leg up, back, back, then hands in front, sideways, back to middle, get it front, take it back, bend your back in front, hands in front, sideways hands on your waist in the middle, again left leg up, go to back, then bend your back forward, hands in front. This is warrior 3, side, one more time, left leg up, back, hands in front, sideways, and relax. So it's warrior 3 workout. Okay, next one we'll do is Shiva squat. It's Lord Shiva, so it's like Tanda, but not like that. It's a bit simple. I'll show you. Touch the floor, lift up your right leg, then slowly bring it on your knee, back of the knee. Balance, balance. Once it's here, then do namaskar like this only. Your back is parallel to the floor, and then spread your arms. When you're done, again do namaskar, hands down, legs up, legs down, and then change. Okay, so we'll do 6 times, 3 3 both. So start with right leg up, then on your knee, left knee, balance, then namaskar, arms parallel, again namaskar, hands down, right leg up and down. Now left leg up, keep your hands down, left leg on your right knee, then namaskar, hands parallel to the floor, back to namaskar, hands down, left leg up, leg down, right leg up, right leg on your left knee, balance, then namaskar, hands parallel to the floor, back to namaskar, down, right leg up, right leg on floor, left leg up, Left leg on right knee, bend your right knee, balance, balance. Then namaskar, both hands parallel to the floor. Again namaskar, hands down, floor, left leg up and down. We'll do one more times, both legs. Right leg up, right leg on left knee, bend your left knee. Then namaskar, hands parallel to the floor. Again namaskar, hands on the floor. Right leg up, right leg down. Left leg up, left leg on your right knee, bend your right knee. Namaskar, hands parallel to the floor. Back to namaskar, hands down on the floor. Left leg up, left leg down. Breathe in up, breathe out. Relax, relax. Okay, we'll just do one quick before we finish. So come down, sit like this, palms facing your body like your legs. We'll be doing tabletop and then come back 5 times like this one. Neck back, head back, hold, down. We'll do 5 times. Okay, start. Ek, up, hold, and then down. One more time, up, hold, neck back, head back, and down. Okay, again, tabletop, head back, neck back, hold, down. Okay, 2 more times now. Come up, tabletop, head back, neck back, hold here, and down. Last time, breathe in up, head back, neck back, breathe out, down. Relax. Just come into Sukhasana. Relax. Just normal breathe in, breathe out. Just get back to your breath now. To Gyan Mudra, index finger forcing onto your thumb. We'll do Pranav. Deep breathe in, breathe out. 5 seconds each for 6 rounds. Start. One more time. Next one is Udgit, chanting of Omkar. So U and Ma, all 3 syllables. Deep, we'll do 3 times. Deep breathe in. Breathe in again. One more time, deep breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one is Kapalbhati. So just some health warning. If you have periods or anything, don't do it. If you are about to get pregnant or pregnant, avoid it. Similarly, if you have high blood pressure, low blood pressure, you inhale and exhale as well. So deep breathe in and start for 1 minute. Only thing moving is your tummy. No part of the body should be moving. Okay. When you're done, normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one is Anulom Vilom. So alternate nostril breaths. So make a Vayu Mudra, index finger force onto your thumb. Then with right thumb, close your right nostril, breathe into your left. Close your left, open your right, breathe out. Breathe in from right again. Close your right, open your left, and breathe out from left. This is one cycle. We'll do two more and always finish exhaling on left. Start. Relax. We'll do Shitali and Shitkari. So take out your tongue, make a U shape, and breathe into your tongue 3 times and hold your breath and then breathe into your nose. One more time. Next one is Shitkari. So open your lips, your teeth together, and then breathe in, making the noise 3 times. Okay, start. Again. Okay, last one is Brahmari. So close your ears, your eyes, your mouth with the fingers and thumb. Breathe in, and while breathing out, you have to say Om, but your mouth is closed, so we end up doing We'll do 3 times. Start. Mm. Mm. Breathe in again. Take your hands down, relax. Normal breathe in, breathe out. We'll be doing the Vishwa Prathana prayer for all. I'll be saying in Sanskrit first and then English. You can say it with me or after me. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kachit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Prayer for all. May all become happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Let there be peace everywhere. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Raise your hands, brush your palms, make them warm. Keep brushing, keep brushing. When they are warm enough, make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes. Transfer the energy and then massage gently your eyes with your fingers, then your forehead, then back of the back as well, and then open your eyes and namaskar, namaste, dhanyavad.
Thank you, Ajay.